Hello children, I hope you all are doing good and you are using your time judiciously. I am sure that you must have solved some numericals, at least tried. Okay, please don't waste time. You are in standard 10, so you have to be very careful while spending your time, what to do, what to study. Everything should be planned. This is the lockdown period which is going on, and you are pretty old enough to handle your studies. You understand yourself, what is self-study, what is the importance of this board exam, what you have to do in future, everything. So please work judiciously, don't waste your time. So now let me do question number 6 and 7 of this exercise 6.2. We had done till question number 5. So today we will be doing 6 and 7. So let me read the question now. In figure 6.21, A and B, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR such that AP is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR, and you have to show that BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so let us start solving the question solution. In solution, first you have to write what is given. Now what is given? Given that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Okay, and what else is given? It is that O is a point in, you can write O is a point inside PQR. O is a point in triangle PQR. Okay, these are the things that are being given. Now we have to solve the question. Okay, so this is the given part. Now what is to prove then? To prove is BC is parallel to QR. Fine. Now let us start doing the proof. Okay. So first you take in triangle OPQ. Just like the previous one, question number 5, you take this triangle. Then you will take this triangle. Okay, and then you equate it and you will find that BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so let us start to in triangle OPQ. See, OPQ. You know that AB is parallel to PQ. It is already given. So if AB is parallel to PQ, then what can you write? You can write OA by, see, OA by AP will be equal to OB by BQ. Okay, OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Okay, Acha, why? And you have to write the reason. Basic proportionality theorem. Name this as equation number 1. Okay. Now let us move ahead. What is the next part that you have to write? Which triangle you will take? Now I will take this face. In triangle, next triangle is OPR. What can you say? Similarly, AC is parallel to PR. if AC is parallel to PR, then we can write OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Why? Basic proportionality theorem, and name it as equation number 2. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, what can you get? See, LHS in both the sides is equal. If LHS is equal, then RHS will definitely be equal. So let us write OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now let us see, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Okay, so if that is the case, if it is the case, then what can you draw? What can you say about the conclusion? You can say that if OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, then definitely BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so we say that as per the converse of basic proportionality theorem, if OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, then BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so this is proved. Fine, you can state it like this. So what is the triangle then? The triangle considered will be OPQ. If, as per the converse of BPT, if OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, in triangle I am writing OQR. In triangle OQR, then BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so this is your question number 6. Now let us go to question number 7. In question number 7, it's written that using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, see, midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Recall that you have proved it in standard 9 if you remember. So let me assess. There is no diagram given, so let me first draw the diagram. Okay, so let ABC be the triangle and D is the midpoint. A, B, C. And what you will do? You will draw a line parallel to BC and let it intersect AC at E. Okay, so let me start. First you write what is given. Now the solution. So first you write what is given. It is given that ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle and, see, it is separated out. ABC is a triangle and D is the and D is the midpoint of AP. Why? Because it is given that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side. So D is the midpoint of AP. Okay, and this is the second point. Third point, what is given? DE is drawn parallel to BC, meeting AC at E. At E. Okay, so I'm repeating once again what is given. ABC is a triangle, and D is the midpoint of AP. DE is drawn parallel to BC, meeting AC at E. These are the things which are given. Now what is to prove? To prove, you have to prove that the line, this DE, which is parallel to another side, bisects the third side. That means AE is equal to EC. We have to prove AE is equal to EC. Okay, so let us start the proof. Okay, now write, since DE is parallel to BC, as per the basic proportionality theorem, what can you write? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Reason? Basic proportionality theorem. Name it as equation number 1. Okay. Next, you have to write, now you already know that AD is equal to DP. What is the reason? As D is the midpoint of AP. Okay, therefore AD by DB, it will be equal to 1. Okay, so AD by DB is equal to 1. If AD by DB is equal to 1, substitute 2 in equation 1. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1. What do you get? 1 is equal to AE by EC. Okay, or you can write EC is equal to AE. Proved. Okay, so hence you must write the final statement. Hence E is the midpoint of AC. Fine. So with this we complete question number 7. Okay, so this is proved. Okay, so it's bye for today, and you please try to do 8, 9, 10. It is all very easy. Of course I'll be uploading it in my next video, but you try. Okay, so till then, bye, take care and remain safe.